It's your birthday. Do you want your present? You want a cup? A pup cup of ice cream. Do you? Do you want a cup of ice cream? Okay, let me go get it for you. And I'll sing again. Happy birthday. You turned 3 today. Let's go get your ice cream. I'll get it. I'll get your ice cream. I promised you a pup cup. I'm getting your ice cream. Okay, just wait. Excuse me. I'm struggling to get the ice cream for her. I got it. Close the fridge here, the freezer door. Here's your ice cream. Come on, Mom. Come on, come on. Here, I'll hold it. You want me to help you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Abigail. Happy birthday to you. You turned 3 today. You turned 3 today. You are our little German Shepherd. Happy birthday to you. You want me to hold it for you? All right.
That's a no.
I guess that's a no. You don't want me to hold. I would hold it steadier. Here, let me hold it for you. I'm not going to take it. All righty then. Enjoy your pup cup. Abby is 3, the German Shepherd. She's doing fine. Yes, she is doing fine. I'm just going to hold it steady so she get to the bottom better. Happy birthday. Are you enjoying? We love you.